So, this will be a review about a Bluetooth speaker which has in the middle a hidden spy camera. My purpose was with this one, I wanted to have a camera in my apartment, and also if the electricity goes out, it will continue the recording, and it also have a night vision. Overall, if a Bluetooth speaker is connected to the electricity, to the wall, to a wall charger or something, it isn't that noticeable. Because I saw from Aliexpress other hidden cams, for example, an air purifier, or for example a table watch or something like that, a table alarm clock, and if it's connected to a wall charger, and then it's, yeah, I think it's noticeable, because normally those things aren't connected to a wall charger. It has a built-in battery or something like that. But if its Bluetooth speaker is connected to a wall charger or to a laptop or something, then it isn't that noticeable. And that was my thought about this. And I ordered one. I received it. It was $90. And this is a full of shit. Alright, so out of the box, the speaker itself, the first problem, it has a Chinese instruction, a manual instruction. It won't be that big of a problem, but I took a photo and I uploaded it, and I try to translate from a photo, because it can be done through Google, no? And the page which I opened it couldn't read this text. So I don't know, maybe it's the faulty of the site. I asked the seller for an English manual, and he didn't give me one. So he doesn't give me one. So this will be the instruction, but it's only for the app, for the application. I have to download it because I just already removed it from my phone, because I don't need any more after I just realized this is full of shit, and this has a really bad quality. And this is the speaker itself. Okay, the first look, it says on the page where I bought it that it has the two speakers, or maybe more, I don't know, but it can be or it will be illuminated here at the front, as you can see. It has only this one reset button behind. On off, an LED doesn't work, and the volume up and down button. So through the app you cannot switch on these LEDs, and also with those buttons. So I don't know if there is any LED or something. I don't know. The first one. The second one, why is there a shitty Chinese logo? Why had to put it there? If it's a hidden cam and it doesn't have to be a noticeable speaker, then leave it alone without any mark or something, or just put a fake GBL logo on it or something. Why it is there? I cannot understand. It can be connected through Bluetooth, but then I don't know, I cannot understand why we have a wire, a fixed wire. So you cannot pull this one out. Why? It's a Bluetooth speaker. Normally it has to be a portable Bluetooth speaker, and it has a fixed wire with an USB and a jack. The jack you don't really need because it has Bluetooth. But this one I cannot understand right now. It says on the page it has a built-in battery. It hasn't. I am connecting it, which I will show you in a moment. And if I pull out of the plug, then the electricity from the speaker goes out. So it's switched off immediately. So it doesn't make any sense. A speaker like this has to be a portable speaker, and it says on the item page, a portable speaker with a built-in battery, a small battery, but built-in battery. The fixed cables, it's just, I have no words for it. It says on the page that it has an SD card memory slot. It hasn't. So I just bought the built-in memory, which has 32 gigs of built-in memory, because I hoped for that it has an SD card slot so I can put inside something. The video quality is really bad, which I cannot show you because through USB you cannot connect to the computer. It has no SD card slot, and through the application you can relook, you can rewatch what it has recorded already. But if I tap to save something, then save something onto the hard drive from the phone, it doesn't make anything. So I cannot save the video and I cannot show you the video what I was recording, what it has recorded. Two positive things. You cannot see the camera inside. So if you take a close look, you cannot see inside. The second one, auto night vision IR LEDs. It has also it automated. Everything's fine, but only those two things maybe. It's also really big, I think, in my opinion. It's a little bit big. Oh yeah, the sound quality, which I cannot show you because if I'm recording something from one device to another device, from one camera to another camera or something, it doesn't make any sense. But it is really bad. It is really bad. So if you can remember from the 2000s, where you could buy small speakers for your computer, which had only a jack and no power adapter because it doesn't need any. It's similar. It's similar to this, but we can just fire up. And before I fire up, I just want you to listen, okay? I will switch to on position, okay? And I turn down the volume, turn down, and I just want you to listen. What does it make when I connecting it to the electricity? Did you hear that? What the fuck was this? Did you hear it? What was that? It was something Chinese, but why? Why am I need something like this when I'm turning on the Bluetooth speaker? Why? I don't need this. It doesn't have to be a noticeable thing, but it is in every way noticeable. And it just doesn't make any sense how it's functioning, how it's working. So right now it records something, I don't know what, but it can record something. And the way to connect is actually you have to connect your speaker through a Wi-Fi. So it has a Wi-Fi connection, and let's see. And then let's see. I don't know if you can see it. It says on my phone that the battery is fully loaded, which isn't true because it hasn't any battery inside. And then you can see the box and a part of my room. Like I just said, I cannot show you the real file, the real video, what it has recorded. I don't know if you can see, but this is actually the box itself from the camera, and it is really blurry, so the quality is overall really bad. And you can, like I just said, go back and no. And then tap to SD card, and then you can see what I recorded right now. And then if I hit download, okay, downloading the video clip. And after saving, you can view it in the downloaded camera of the album in the personal center. I don't know what it is, what does it mean, but right now I'm back, and if I go to File Manager on my phone, then there are the latest file on my phone, the latest files, and this is from WhatsApp, a screenshot, and also from WhatsApp. This is from today, so there aren't any videos. If I go to the videos map, there is from yesterday and 7 days ago. So I don't know where this file is, but it isn't there. It isn't there. I don't know what to say. I have no words for it. The audio quality is bad. The speaker quality is bad. I think what is recording audio is also bad. The picture quality is also bad. It says on the application and also on the page that 4K recording. No, it's not 4K. It may be a normal HD, but it's definitely not 4K. No built-in battery. The cables are fixed. It's everything wrong about this speaker.